In this video, I will share with you Top 5 Best CNC Controllers Review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. Axis Mach 3 CNC Motion Control Card. The XHC Ethernet CNC Motion Control Card elevates machining precision with its 3/4/6 axis compatibility and astounding 2000 kHz frequency. Designed for Mach 3 systems, this breakthrough controller integrates seamlessly, offering unparalleled control via its Breakout board for stepper and servo motors. With Ethernet connectivity, it ensures swift and stable communication, enhancing operational efficiency. Experience superior motion control with the XHC Ethernet card, empowering both stepper and servo motor-based CNC setups with exceptional accuracy and reliability for diverse machining applications. Number 2. 3/4 axis offline motion control system. The CNC D CSV 4.1 controller revolutionizes precision in 3 or 4 axis configurations, delivering unparalleled offline motion control for engraving machines. Its Handwheel MPG and 24V power supply ensure ergonomic handling and consistent performance. This advanced system guarantees precise control and flexibility, empowering users with versatile machining capabilities. With its offline functionality and comprehensive axis support, the DDCSV 4.1 stands as a pinnacle in CNC control systems, promising seamless operation and superior accuracy for a wide range of engraving tasks. Number 3. DDCSV 4.1 Standalone Motion Controller, introducing the G-Penny new arrival. The DDCSV 4.1 Standalone Motion Controller redefines CNC precision. Seamlessly supporting 3 or 4 axis configurations, this controller operates offline for enhanced convenience. Its USB CNC controller interface ensures effortless connectivity and flexibility. Experience unparalleled control and reliability with this cutting-edge system, empowering users with precise, standalone motion control capabilities. The DDCSV 4.1 from G-Penny stands as a testament to innovation, promising top-tier performance for a diverse array of CNC machining tasks. Number 4. CNC 4-Axis Offline Motion Controller. The CNC 4-Axis Offline Motion Controller DDCS version 3.1 redefines precision control. Operating at 500 kHz, this powerhouse integrates a PLC system and Pendant handwheel, ensuring seamless offline operation. Its ergonomic design incorporates an emergency stop feature for added safety. Experience enhanced maneuverability and unparalleled accuracy with this controller, enabling effortless CNC operations. The DDCS version 3.1 stands as a pinnacle in motion control, promising optimal performance and safety measures for a diverse range of machining tasks. Number 5. HUNST Ruida RDC 6445G CO2 Laser Control. The HUNST Ruida RDC 6445G CO2 Laser Control Card motherboard stands as the pinnacle for CNC laser cutting machines. Engineered with precision, the RDC 6445S system guarantees unparalleled control and accuracy. This cutting-edge motherboard ensures seamless integration and optimal performance, elevating CNC laser systems to new heights. Its robust capabilities empower users with enhanced control, enabling intricate and flawless laser cutting operations. Trust the HUNST Ruida RDC 6445G for supreme efficiency and precision in your CNC laser cutting endeavors. Thanks for watching.